Howdy y'all, Mr. E here. Our aim for this video is how do we find the inverse of a function given its equation. Okay, so let me give you a description of the inverse of a function. The inverse of a function undoes the process of the original function. So how do you find the inverse of a function? Well, first you're going to switch the variables x and y, and then you're going to solve for y. So let's look at it at an example. So it says find the inverse of the function f of x equals x minus 4. Okay, to begin, I'm just going to use y in place of f of x. Some people find it less confusing to use a y instead of f of x, so that's why I'm going to use a y. First step is to switch the variables. So the y and x switch places. And then our last step is to just solve for y. So you add 4 to both sides, and we get x plus 4 equals y. So the inverse of the function is x plus 4. Just so you know, this is how you write the inverse of f of x. F raised to the negative 1 power, parentheses x. This is just another way of saying the inverse of f of x. Okay? It's just notation. It's just a way to say the inverse of f of x. Okay, so here's another example. If f of x equals 2x plus 6, find the inverse of x. So I'm just going to write this as y, and I'm going to say y equals 2x plus 6. Switch the variables. Switch variables. And we are going to get x equals 2y plus 6. And then you solve for y. This one's going to require more steps to solve for y. So minus 6, we get x minus 6 equals 2y. Divide both sides by 2. So we're solving for y. We get y equals x minus 6 divided by 2. So the inverse of f of x is x minus 6 over 2. That is our final answer. Okay, now you try it. Here's f of x equals x squared minus 6. Find the inverse of f of x. Write your answer on the comment section. And by 9 p.m. tonight, I will put the answer on the comment section. Okay, take care.